We have been discussing the future of wireless networks 2020 and beyond. Why do we need a new system called 5G?
I think 5G represents the opportunity to enable new services and to drive down the network cost, enable new mission-critical applications, new devices as well. I think it's important that we take a holistic approach to all the requirements that are possible and define a unified 5G design that encompasses all these requirements at the onset.
And how are we going to achieve, what will be the biggest step towards 5G from when we think about the current systems, current wireless access technologies and architectures? What we need to change from today?
Sure, I think we do need to continue to evolve 4G, but at the same time introduce a parallel 5G design process where we are going to be incorporating these requirements holistically from the start. And so these requirements include new dimensions such as network cost efficiency, network virtualization, revisiting security to drive to ultra-low latency. And we want to further enable the aggregation of wider bandwidths, but at the same time also enable scaling down. So when we design the 5G system for scalability, there's not only scaling up to wider bandwidths and higher levels of aggregation, including frequency bands sub 6 gigahertz, but then also looking at millimeter wave and higher frequencies, but at the same time scaling down to simplified protocols, much lower energy to enable a very large number of devices with diverse requirements. So I think it's fair to say that 5G is a unified design that can address both scaling in dimensions of scaling much lower and at the same time scaling higher to new mission-critical applications, scenarios that we can't really even perfectly predict at this point, but we want to enable 5G as a new framework to enable these future services.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.